Let's finish the lecture with some of the implications for managers. One of the things they should do is recognize individual differences. Spend the time necessary to understand what is important to each employee, and then design jobs to maximize the motivation potential of each job by aligning it with individual needs as best as possible. They should use goal setting and feedback to motivate, like we discussed in the previous lecture. Encourage people to participate in the decisions that affect them. Ask them to contribute to setting goals, choosing their benefits packages, solving productivity and quality problems. Make sure that rewards are directly linked to performance, only distributed when people meet a certain level of performance. And finally, check the system for equity. People need to perceive that their individual effort and their outcomes dictate their pay and other rewards. If they perceive that other people are receiving more for less, or even receiving less for more, they may spend their time and energy trying to restore that balance instead of doing their job.